Hi my lovelies, I want to show you quickly how to boil eggs in microwave. So I just want to practice with about just 3 eggs. These are raw eggs. So here is a microwave safe bowl, and then I've got 3 raw eggs in there. So now I'm gonna run some hot water. I'm gonna pour the hot water in the so in here I've got hot water with some eggs. So now I'm just gonna have to transfer this into my microwave. You can see the microwave is set to 00 at this time. I'll transfer it into my microwave like so. I don't need to cover it, and make sure the water does not get to the top. It's just around the corner over there. It's not like boiling water, it's just tap hot water from the tap. Now you can see it's on 0, so we're gonna have to press this and put it on 2 minutes, and then we start. And then we flip constantly like so. You're gonna have to roll it, rotate it like so. Every now and again, so that it doesn't burst in microwave. Let's just say roughly every 20 to 30 seconds. You just flip it with your hand and then continue. So now it's been 2 minutes since our egg was cooking, and as you can see, it's even cracked. That tells you it's ready. Carefully transfer your eggs in the cold water. Made these lovely eggs in just 2 minutes. So now it's cooled down a bit. I'm rushing to work, so I just want to quickly finish up this. This is the best way to open your eggs, guys.
I want egg. I want
One egg?
egg. Yes.
There you go. You're welcome, sweetheart.